Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Gemini Help Center. So let's say you are facing any trouble with Gemini. So all you need to do is open your account in Gemini and then go to the settings and help and then go to Help Center. Here you can see all the articles about the popular help resources where you can use Gemini Web, for example. You can find all the details about this subject, and then also you can describe your issue and find it, for example, I don't know what issue you have, for example, late something, or I don't know, change Gemini's language, talk naturally with Gemini Live or anything. You can find all the steps on how to fix the issue. If this doesn't help you fix your issue, you can go to community. Here you can describe your issue and you can see all the people that have the same problem. You see community guides, delete your Gemini chats in just a few clicks, how to switch Gemini to be your default assistant, and then you can see the categories, quality of Gemini answers, Gemini visibility. You can see everyone's response. I request Google Gemini to use this thing, and you can find the problems that the people faced before and how they fix it, or they are asking for fixes. And this is just like a community. And then you can send your feedback about their help center. Or you can post a question by pressing on this post a question button and they will accept you, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.